Hey, what's up guys? It's Phil and welcome back to 3D Japan. And we got a little something different today. You might remember if you've seen my previous videos, there was one where I was doing a little bit of soldering and I was using this 3D printed clamp to hold my PCB. So whoever was watching that video from this company must have decided that I needed some helping hands. So they sent it. Let's open it up and take a look at it. It looks quite fancy. Peek. It's quite a heavy box. Okay. See what's in here. Okay, we've got a little thank you slip. The company's called, so I'm not quite sure how to pronounce this company's name. It's spelled Novsbig, like Novsbig. I'm not sure. So anyway, let's see what else we've got here. Okay, it's just general information about it, some instructions. Okay, some foam. I've got a bag of like alligator clips and screws. More alligator clips and screws. See any other little bags? Okay, these are some flexible arms, which are magnetic. They're sticking together. Okay. What else we have? Okay, we have a magnifier / ring light. This little plug-in that has a USB connector. Okay. These we got some like some rubber buttons, almost looks like keyboard buttons. And this, not sure. It's got a 3M tape on the back and it feels rough, almost like Velcro. Well, we'll see what those are. Okay, so in this box, got a clamp. The heavy magnetic foot on it. Put this up there. Okay. There's a bolt with a wing nut, or wing nut type handle on there. And that's it in the box. Okay, put those all together. Okay, we have, oh, here's the power plug for that USB end. We have, I don't know what these are. They're magnetic and they have sharp tips on the end, almost looks like 3D printer nozzles. And then, oh, there's one more little box, or two more little boxes. Come on, open. Let's see what's in here. That is another type of clamp. I'm gonna guess maybe that's for holding a PCB. Not quite sure. Okay, another little box. In here we have something else magnetic. Just an arm, I guess something else connects to this arm. Okay, and then finally we have the big heavy base that it is quite hefty. And I guess everything magnetic will stick on there. Alright, so let's get this assembled and we'll take a look at how it works. Okay, so I got this all assembled and it's actually pretty cool. I was kind of surprised how fun and cool it is. So we have all these parts and they stick to the magnetic or metal base, and these are really strong magnets. So it will really clamp on there and you can lift the whole thing with them. So, yep, so it's great because you can have all these set to the side and just use whichever ones you need for a given project. So, I mean, I think this one would be for holding a heat gun. Of course, you have all of these, has to be tightened up. Okay, but then you have all of these like helping hands, alligator clips. You can grab onto your PCB there. We have just a normal clamp, like a vice clamp, and you can sit that in the middle and hold your PCB there or whatever else you're working on. If I can get that off. Yeah, and and of course we have a light, and the cord for this is fairly long. It's I have it plugged in on the floor under my table here, and I can't quite show you the switch is right here, but yeah, we can turn that on. And then we have settings for brightness, quite a few settings. You can go up and down. And then with another button, there is, you can change the tone, like the color temperature. So we have a couple of different settings for that. There's like white, more of a yellow, and then in between. And of course it's got a pretty decent magnifying glass on there too. So I guess let's see how it looks through the magnifying glass. Oh yeah, before moving on, I wanted to show my cool shirt here with a circuit diagram on it. I thought it was the perfect shirt for this occasion. The shirt came from geeksoutfit.com. They've got all kinds of cool, fun, nerdy, geeky shirts. If you want to check them out, you can use my code PHIL25 to get 25% off. Okay, so here we go. I've got this board from a clock radio that has a little problem here. Is this wire has come loose, and I definitely didn't do that on purpose for making this video. Wink, wink. So let's put it in the hole where it goes. But first, it's a little hard to see, so let's move the magnifier over. And that makes it a lot easier. So, let's get that in the hole. A little difficult to look through the camera. There we go. Got it up in the hole, and it seems to be staying there. Put a little bit of flux on it. Got a toothpick. Now let's see if I can reach around the camera to solder it in. And there we go. A little hard to see on the camera. And there we go. So this magnifier worked out pretty well. The light is very nice and bright, although it's has kind of a glare on the camera, so it kind of depends on the angle you're looking at it. See if we change the angle a little bit, you have a little less glare. Yeah. So you can tweak it. But yeah, so that was a look at these really nice helping hands. I'm quite surprised by them, very happy with them. I'll have links in the description if you want to pick them up for yourself. All right, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.